I am assisting an agent with the setup of a variable price barcode parser using this label here. And so to get started, I want to make sure that I'm using this app. It's called Variable Price Barcode Parser. And there's the configuration step that needs to be complete. These steps need to be performed in the app called Settings. There we go. And in Settings, I will navigate all the way down to Accessibility. And in Accessibility, the variable price barcode parser in the off position. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It'll ask me to confirm, and I say yes. It may even ask me to enter like a passcode to confirm. And so once I've done that, we can see that the variable price barcode parser is now configured and ready for use. The next step is to make sure that this item is set up in the Clover Inventory app. So we're going to open this app called Inventory, and we want to make sure that there are no duplicates, right? So when I enter the first 6 digits of this label, just 200150, like that, we want to make sure that no, no or just one record has comes back as a search result. So in my case, I do need to add a new item, right? I'm going to call it ham, like that. I'm going to make the price type variable, and then the product code, I'm entering 200150, like that. Okay, and the rest of the stuff is whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. So now I have my item, and it's time to go ahead and scan this barcode. So I'm going to go ahead and open the Register app. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and position. There we go. And so it found the item, but the price is like way off, right? So 916 versus 1695. And to address this, I'm just going to go ahead and open the app, the variable price barcode parser, and click on these 3 lines, go to barcode settings, and choose the second option, and then hit save. All right, and so I have that saved. Now we can go ahead and try this again in the Register app. So I'll go ahead and just keep this item, and we can go ahead and scan it again. There we go. All right, so this time there's the item ham 1695. All right, so now let's try the same thing on the Mini. All right, so we are back with the Mini, and I may need to reset these things up here. So my barcode parser configuration is already complete. And if I go to barcode settings, I'm gonna go away from my custom one, and I'm just gonna go to the one that's number 1. I'm gonna hit save, so that's done. And then I'm gonna go to my inventory app, and I'm gonna look for the number 200150. 200150, and I have no items that come up. This is a different account device, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a ham, make it variable 200150, save. So now I have my barcode set up, so we can go ahead and try it with the camera. Something else comes up. So the price is off, but that's addressed here. Why didn't I put it on a second one right away? It is too early in the morning. All right. So let's try this again. All right, so 1695, 1695, and then the same thing can be done with this. There's another 1695 in there. I hope this helps. See if you can find any differences in what I've done and what you have going on. Let me also show this last thing. And in the app called Setup, in barcode scanner, I have both 1 and 2G and transmit US UPCA check digit preamble to all devices. That's how I'm configured. All right.